started. Hello and welcome to our channel, Science Kids. Today we will talk about Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. Thought of the day by Sir Isaac Newton. We built too many walls and not enough bridges. Revolution. It takes 225 days for Venus to orbit the Sun. The average distance between Venus and the Sun is 67 million miles, 107 million kilometers. Venus is closer to Earth than it is to the Sun. The average distance between Earth and Venus is 26 million miles, 41 million kilometers. Rotation. Venus takes 243 odd days to rotate around its axis. Venus and Uranus spin clockwise, but all of the planets of the solar system rotate anti-clockwise. Tilt. The tilt of Venus is 3 degrees. It is the same as Jupiter's tilt. Gravity. On Venus, you can jump 1.7 feet high in the air. Venus's gravity is more than 90% of Earth's gravity. The escape velocity of Venus is 23,000 miles per hour, 37,014 kilometers per hour. You must be wondering why Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Here is the answer. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, plus the sun's rays make the planet hottest. There is a scientific reason. The scientific reason is that if there is too much atmosphere, too much carbon dioxide in a planet's atmosphere or in the air, it makes the planet hottest. Now imagine that Venus is closer to the sun. So how it would be hot, right? As I told that if there is too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it would be hottest. But now also you must be wondering, Earth also has carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Why is it not so hot? The answer is that if there is too much carbon dioxide in an atmosphere of that planet, but in Earth's atmosphere, there is very less carbon dioxide. So that means Earth and plus that Earth is not closer to the sun as Mercury, as Venus and Mercury. So that's why Earth can't be hot. On Venus, you can bake a pizza in 16 seconds. The temperature on Venus is over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 426 degrees Celsius. Maxwell-Montes. Maxwell-Montes is located on Venus. Maxwell-Montes is approximately the same height as Mount Everest. It is a dormant volcano. Interior of Venus. There are 3 layers in Venus: inner core, mantle, and the crust. Inner core. The metallic core of Venus is 2,400 miles, 3,900 kilometers wide. Mantle. The mantle is the next layer. The next layer is the mantle. It is a molten rocky layer, 1,200 miles, 1,900 kilometers thick. Now we come to the crust. It is mostly composed of basalt. The crust is 6 to 12 miles, 10 to 20 kilometers wide. Now my friend Nishant will say composition of the atmosphere, some spacecraft that have visited to Venus, amazing facts, differences between Mercury and Venus, and differences between Earth and Venus. Over to you, Nishant.
Composition of the atmosphere. The atmosphere of Venus is comprised of 96% carbon dioxide, 3% nitrogen, and 1% sulfuric acid. As you can see, Venus has a high amount of carbon dioxide. which is the reason it is so hot, as Manav mentioned earlier. Space missions to Venus. Venera 13 was launched on 30th October 1981. This probe was launched by the Soviet Union. It survived on Venus's surface for about 127 minutes. Now I will say Venera 9 space mission to Venus. Venera 9 was launched by Soviet Union on June 8, 1975. The orbiter was the first spacecraft to orbit Venus, while the lander was the first to return images from the surface of another planet. A landing date of Venera 9 lander was October 22nd, 1975. Now I will say differences between Mercury and Venus. Venus is larger than Mercury. Mercury is much closer to the sun than Venus is. On Venus, you can jump 1.7 feet high in the air, but on Mercury, you can jump much higher, 4 feet high. Mercury takes 88 days to revolve around the sun, but Venus takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. Mercury's atmosphere is thinner than Venus's atmosphere. Now we'll see differences between Earth and Venus. On Venus, you can jump 1.7 feet high, as we mentioned earlier, but on Earth, you can jump only 1.5 feet high in the air. Earth has an outer core, but Venus does not. Earth has a moon, but Venus doesn't have one. Venus has a much thicker atmosphere than Earth's. Venus has far more carbon dioxide in its atmosphere than Earth does. This causes a much larger greenhouse effect. Now I will say some amazing facts that will blow your mind. On Venus, it rains sulfuric acid. Life is possible on Venus in its clouds above the surface, which is 30 miles, 48 kilometers, where the temperature and surface pressure is like Earth. I'll say more amazing facts that will blow your mind. Venus is slightly smaller than Earth. Venus is called the evening star and the morning star. Venus reflects 79% of sun rays that reaches the planet. Now, here come some questions and answers.
So,
I will say
first two Nishant will speak. As Nishant said, the third and fourth I will speak.
We'll give you a minute to think these answers. Here we go. Question number 1. Which Roman god is Venus named after? Question number 2. Can Venus's surface pressure crush a human?
Why does Venus's and Mars's sky look yellow? Is Maxwell Montes the tallest volcano on Venus? Now it will be a good time to pause the video and discuss.
Think about the answer. If you're not able to get the answer in the full time period, you can always pause the video for longer time.
And if you get 4 on 4, then you have a perfect knowledge about Venus. If you get 3 on 4, you need to a bit practice.
Okay, you ready for the answers?
Here come the
answers. Answer number 1. Venus is named after the Roman god of love and beauty. Answer number 2. Yes, Venus's surface pressure can crush a human.
If any planet has a lot of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, automatically the sky turns yellow. Yes, Maxwell Montes is the tallest volcano on Venus. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and with your friends. And please enable notifications so that you can get our videos.
Yeah, hit the bell to enable notifications
and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.